Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So for this video, same type of problems but different method. I'm going to be going through how to solve 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems using the Lattice method. So our first example problem is 82 times 73. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So I have my Lattice method model here set up. I've made a box for each digit. I'm going to multiply each of the digits together. Our answer goes in a separate box, and each of the digits within our answer goes in a separate triangle. So I'm going to start out multiplying 2 times 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. So for 14, the digits are 1 and 4, so I'm going to put a 1 in the top triangle and a 4 in the second triangle. Next, 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 is a 1-digit number, so I'm going to put a 0 in the top triangle and a 6 in the bottom triangle. Next, I'm going to multiply 8 times 7. 8 times 7 equals 56. So 5 in the top triangle, 6 in the bottom triangle. 8 times 3 equals 24. So 2 in the top triangle, 4 in the bottom triangle. I'm going to make this 6 look a little bit neater. Just going to make the 6 a little neater because legibility does matter. All right. So now the final step is we have to add the numbers together going across the diagonal lines. So looking at this triangle going across this diagonal line, the only number within the square is 6. Then looking in between these two diagonal lines, we have to add 4 plus 0 plus 4. We're only adding the numbers that are inside the square. 4 plus 0 equals 4, plus 4 equals 8. Next, we add the 3 numbers in between these two diagonal lines. 1 plus 6 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. Then looking at this diagonal line here, the only number within the square going along this last diagonal line is 5. So now we read the number from left to right. So we have 5,986. 82 times 73 equals 5,986. All right, so I'm going to do one more problem using the Lattice method now. First, let me just take a screenshot. All right, shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, so 28 times 39. That'll be my next example problem. And we are using the Lattice method here. So I'm going to make the model now. We have 2 in the 8, 3 in the 9. Now drawing a triangle across each of the squares. Next, we have to multiply each of the digits around the boxes. So we're going to multiply 8 times 3 to start. We put the answer in the box, and we put each of the digits within the answer within each triangle. So 8 times 3 equals 24. So 2 in the top box, 4 in the bottom box. 8 times 9 equals 72. So that's a 7 in the top box, a 2 in the bottom box. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we're going to put a 0 in the top triangle and a 6 in the bottom triangle. And 2 times 9 equals 18. So 1 in the top triangle, 8 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're going to add the numbers. We're only adding the numbers within the squares. So within this square here, we're going to add the numbers going along these diagonal lines. So along the first diagonal line, all we have is 2. In between these two diagonal lines, we have 4 plus 7 plus 8. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 11 plus 8 equals 19. Now we do need to regroup, just like we would in any other addition problem. So the 9 and 19 is going to go in the tens place. The 1's going to get carried over to the hundreds place here. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 6 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. So the 0 and 10 goes in the hundreds place. The 1 gets carried over to the thousands place. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And we have our final answer. And we read the number from left to right. 1092. 28 times 39 equals 1092. All right, I'm going to take the screenshot. And that is our video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading you're having any difficulty with, put that in the comments. And I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.